Hey guys, Tech Control with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send a message with the gentle effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. So on the latest iOS version, you can simply go to your messages. So if you go to your messages and you're trying to message someone, you click on the message and then you type up a message. And now this could be a photo or GIF, whatever it is. So let's say I want to say, hey, something like that. Now in order to send a message with that gentle special effect, you need to press and hold that arrow pointing upward. Now if you click on it, it will just send as a normal text, but if you press and hold just like that, this new menu will pop up that will allow you to send messages with different effects. And as you can see here, gentle is one of the options here. So if I click on gentle, it's gonna gently send that message with that special effect. And after that, you just click on that arrow, and as you can see here, it's sending is that gentle effect with a sound as well. And that's how they'll be able to see the message again. Just to replay that again, you'll see that they'll be able to get it just like that. And similarly, it works for if you want to send maybe an emoji, right? Let's go ahead and send them something here with the gentle effect. So we'll go ahead and send the emoji here. Same exact thing, right? You can click on gentle here, press and hold, and then it'll also send them with that gentle effect. And the same thing goes with photos and videos. You can also do that. If you have a photo that you like to send, just open up that plus icon and then hit that photo option. Find the photo that you like to send. Let's go ahead and send this one. Hit done. Same exact thing. Press and hold. Click on the gentle effect and then just click on it, and they'll send the photo as a gentle effect, and they'll get a notification just like that. So that's how you send a message with the gentle effect. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please click the like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and other devices. See you guys next time.